Hello, good morning all students. Standard 6 subject General Science, chapter number 4 Disaster Management. In today's lecture we will proceed forward, so let's get started. तर प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 4मधील जो असणारा एक्झरसाइज आहे तो आपण आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हॉट आर द इमर्जन्सी कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. तर या ठिकाणी जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे पोलीस कंट्रोल रूम, यासाठी इमर्जन्सी कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आहे 100. त्यानंतर फायर ब्रिगेडसाठी कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आहे 101. ॲम्ब्युलन्स कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आहे 102. त्यानंतर नॅशनल लेवल सिग्नल इमर्जन्सी नंबर फॉर डिझास्टर रिलीफ, की त्याचा जो नंबर आहे 108 किंवा 112. आणि चाइल्ड हेल्पलाईनचा नंबर आहे 1098. या ठिकाणी तो चाइल्ड हेल्पलाईन 198 आहे. तर या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2मध्ये की व्हॉट फर्स्ट एड विल यू प्रोव्हाइड इन द फॉलोइंग सिच्युएशन. आता या ठिकाणी फर्स्ट सिच्युएशन दिलेलं आहे डॉग बाईट, कुत्रा चावल्यानंतर आपण काय फर्स्ट एड केल्या पाहिजेत. द डॉग बाईटमध्ये द wound caused by the dog bite should be washed with the soap and clean germ-free water. It should be rinsed with the solution of potassium permanganate. The wound should be covered with a dry cloth and victim should be taken to a doctor for a dressing of the wound. Injection of anti-rabies should be given to the victim. Next आहे scratches or bleeding. The very first thing to be done in case of bleeding is to stop it. Make the person sit or lie down comfortably. The bleeding part should be cleaned with germ-free water and it should be kept above the level of hurt. Apply antiseptic cream to the wound. If the wound is a deep, rush to the doctor to sketch and get a proper medical care. Next आहे burns or cuts. The first of all, the extent and the severity of a burning should be seen. If there is a minor burn, immerse the burnt part in cold water. Give a cold water to the victim. Clean the wound with a germ-free water and antiseptic solution. Oily ointment should not be applied if there are serious burns. Give emotional support to the victim and the seen medicinal treatment immediately. Next आहे snake bite. Wash the wound well with the water and tie a tight tourniquet, that is, the cloth strip near the wound in such a way that the venom of the bite should not reach the vital organs. The victim should be given emotional support and taken to the doctor as early as possible for the antivenom injection. Next दिलेला आहे suntrook. Take the patient in the shade or in any school place. Wipe the body with the cold water. Keep the wet cloth on the neck and the head. Plenty of water or sherbet should be given to avoid dehydration. If a person feels like the vomiting, she should be made to be lie down on her abdomen with the head turned to one side. तर या ठिकाणी सांगितले राईट द कॉजेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, की या ठिकाणचा जो प्रश्न आहे की महापूर आल्यानंतर तुम्ही काय कराल, म्हणजे कोणती सिच्युएशन घेणं गरजेचे आहे. त्यामध्ये फ्लड्स. तर वेन देर इज एक्सेसिव्ह रेन्स इन द सेम प्लेस in a short span of time, then a river many overflow. It is banks in a city's water drainage system falls short. The gutters or drainage lines are choked. This result in overflow of water on the roads and surroundings areas. It may also enter the houses. The floods are caused in this way. Next दिलेला आहे forest fires. The carelessness of someone can ignite the fire in the forest. If there is excessive heat and the branches rub against each other, crushing friction, then naturally it can lead to forest fires too. If there is a dry foliage in the forest and the winds are blowing at a speed of the forest fires spread very rapidly. नेक्स्ट दिलेला आहे लँडस्लाइड्स किंवा बिल्डिंग कोलॅप्स. The vibration in the earth crust result in an earthquake. This vibration can cause a collapse of a building. If inferior material is used in the construction, then too there is a chance of collapse of a building. Due to excessive rains or cloud bursting, landslides can take place. Tromps. The formation of high and low pressure beds in the atmosphere results in changes in the weather. These pressure beds cause strong winds resulting in storms. Next दिलेला आहे earthquakes. In the interior of the earth there is a tremendous amount of energy. This energy results in seismic waves. It causes movements of the earth's surface in the form of tremors, shaking and cracking. The vibration caused due to all these movements results in an earthquake. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मध्ये आपल्याला काय विचारलेलं आहे बघा. आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. या ठिकाणी जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विचारलेला आहे की व्हॉट इज मेंट बाय डिझास्टर. व्हॉट इज मेंट बाय डिझास्टर म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला डेफिनेशन सांगायचे आहे. A sudden event causing a large scale damage to life, property and social assets, our nation or society is called a disaster. The next question is, what are the types of disasters? What are the types of disasters? यामध्ये disasters are of two kinds, natural disaster and man-made disasters. Next question is, what is meant by disaster management? So what is meant by disaster management? Taking a proper steps to prevent a disaster and making plans to face the likely disasters and developing the capacity of taking such situations is called disaster management. बरेच वेळा व्याख्या विचारली डिझास्टर, व्हॉट इज मेंट बाय डिझास्टर किंवा व्हॉट इज मेंट बाय डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट या दोनवर आधारित प्रश्न विचारले जातात. तर या ठिकाणी डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटची डेफिनेशन आहे की टेकिंग अ प्रॉपर स्टेप्स टू प्रिव्हेंट डिझास्टर्स अँड मेकिंग अ प्लॅन्स टू फेस द लाईकली disasters and the developing the capacity of talking such situations is called a disaster management. So which are the main components of the disaster managements? The planning and executing these plans in case of disasters are in the main components of a disaster management. And next question दिलेला आहे, find out about the work of Sarpamitra. The Sarpamitra are the volunteers who help to save the snakes. If people come across any snakes in their vicinity, they usually kill it even before they come to know about it is a toxicity. Sarpamitra go to such a place, capture the snakes, rescue and locate and they realize to remove the myths associated with the snakes and explain the importance of snakes. During the festivals of Nagapanchami, if the snakes are seen to be active, very rescue these snakes to and educate the snake chambers. तर आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इथपर्यंतच भाग अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना टेस्टसाठी बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थँक्यू.